All right, y'all cleaned up? Like Plinko.
It is Plinko. There you go, 4. That's a high number. Awesome.
Are you looking for a carpet
Yeah,
and roofing? You looking for roofing?
And Bubby.
Brady, I'm thinking if you're looking for a heat pump, you've come to the right place.
Yeah.
There's-
Soap and water in your hand.
He's sold.
And the handles are Bakelite.
Yeah.
So, first of all, you can cook on very high heat with this if you want to, which you never could with Teflon. You can put the whole thing in the oven.
heat pump.
Cool.
Cute. Cool.
Cool. I like it.
Hey, Brady, what's that?
Paper.
Another heat pump. Yeah.
Thank you.
How many
Great
is that?
job.
That'll be like 5,
Oh,
6
wait,
heat pumps.
wait.
How many heat pumps did we see so far?
I don't know.
I don't know. The home show is filthy with heat pumps.
Ice cream, the dried berries, and you can find those in different places like Sobeys. I think carries
Pete's, I
some of them.
think, is
Yes,
what I
Pete's
hear.
for sure. Yep, yep.
Let me tell you the secret about home shows.
Yeah.
You never, ever make eye contact. Once you make eye contact, gotcha. They got you. Right, so
I'm gonna come.
Mom and Nan are back there, and you and I are over here because they made eye contact. So now, right? Okay, let's go. Keep
Oh,
walking.
wait.
Don't make eye contact. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. No. No. Don't look. Ready? No. No. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact. It's the secret. Oh, what's that, Brady? What's that?
Whoa.
The heat pump?
Paper.
Okay, take it out. 'Cause I don't want it back curly.
Okay.
Oh, curl it up, Trace. Curl it up.
No, I don't like it like that.
You don't like it?
Don't
So I can brush it and that's it.
No, it's good, and no, it's fine. You better get out of here.
See what I told you? See what I told you?
Mmm.
What do you think, Brady?
It smells good.
Look at Sylvie. Let's see.
Come on,
There's Sylvie. Sylvie, what's that big cold black spot in the center of your chest?
That's my heart.
Brady. What happened?
There's a tattoo.
What? You got a
Tattoo. Cool.
We're gonna try to fix it.
I like
There you
it.
go.
Is this the stuff that goes for the wrinkles?
Ah, cool.
We'll get rid of the wrinkles. This is called making a silk purse out of a sow's ear. Yeah? Do you think it's gonna work?
Sodium is the type of salt that the body consumes normally.
Not quite sure if Trace is buying this right now.
When we have lack of mobility, you feel a bit.
Now,
Now, do you know this lady for a while?
Yeah, well,
no, I'm
What's
like
your,
that.
what's your
No,
name?
not this.
What's your name, sir?
Kevin. This is gonna be
Kevin. Nice to meet you.
nice to
No,
meet you.
I'm fine.
Brady.
No,
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right, Dad.
no, I'm not doing it for you. You are the judge.
Oh, Judge, come here.
You are the judge.
Let's go see if there's any difference
You
here.
decide
Oh,
what is going
all
on.
right.
I like you. That's your son? He's great. Do you love Mama?
Yeah, I like it, Mama.
You like Mama? That's good. By the way, I gotta tell you, you gifted. Do you know that?
Yeah.
That you're gifted because you are happy all the time,
Oh, yeah.
and that's a gift.
You happy all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, most of the time, eh?
Yeah.
You're judging here, or what?
Feels good because I'm
That's it?
Now look, I just want you to see. You see these lines here?
Yeah.
They are small,
Yep.
but look at this one.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Now look at this over here. Look at this one. You see here? Now look at this one. You barely have lines. One eye different. You see this one? You understand?
Yeah.
You see this line? It's just gone.
Half wrinkly.
How did I made eye contact.
This one is what we're using here for the skin. It's gonna make all the face go up. And if I make mommy looks too young and all the guys run after you, don't be shy, take the numbers. Done. Israeli technology that's made in California. I'm talking about this. Is it good? No, for the filler. And the serum is another 100.
What's that, Brady?
Peep pop.
Yeah, another heat pump.
Yeah.
Did the makeup guy sell you?
No.
Oh yeah, he would like. Look it up. Make a comment down below if you know anything about that crazy stuff. This is the place you go if you want heat pumps, though.
Over here, here.
What do you see?
Here.
We're all half beautiful.
Look at that eye, no wrinkles.
Yeah, we got.
Which, let me see you, Sylvia.
Yeah.
Well,
Here's the other half of me.
where's your beautiful side?
I don't know. I forget what side. What's the beautiful side?
There's your beautiful side. Actually, I like your other side better.
All right, so like we totally survived the home show. The one thing that you got to watch out for there is the dude selling whatever that magical stuff that makes no wrinkle in your eyes. He's grabbing you whether you're young or old. Once you make eye contact and they got you, and man, next thing you know, bam, I'm sitting in the chair like I don't even know what happened to me. And then the next thing you know, he's got his hands all over my face, and I'm not even fighting it. So whatever powers they've got, if you want to go to salesperson school, that whatever those guys went to, that's what you want. I mean, I still feel like going back and buying a bottle of that stuff. In fact, whatever it was, I still want it.
Hi.
Oh, that made me hungry.